Will you people ever realize or wake up and understand that scientism is mocking you? We got Live Science, Daily Mail, and about 20 other reports that UFOs left radiation burns and unaccounted for pregnancies. And this comes from 1,500 pages of UFO-related research declassified by FOIL, or Freedom of Information Act. And let's take a look at this complete propaganda, lies, deception, and mockery. Now we have Live Science here, and declassified paperwork headed by, you guessed it, the scumbag Louis Elizondo. These people are trying to say UFOs left radiation burns and unaccounted for pregnancies. So, in the presence of alien spacecraft or aliens and their abductions, which are all lies, there are women claiming to have become pregnant and cannot account for the pregnancy. Here they are with more propaganda of alleged military surveillance of alien craft, which is just highly classified craft that we have invented that people continually confuse with UFO spaceships, which is what they want you to do. You are being mocked, and I will prove it to you. Now they say here, the database of documents includes more than 1,500 pages of UFO-related material. And they go on to say, let me find it. I mean, it's complete mockery. If you don't understand that, then this is for you. Unaccounted for pregnancy. Now right here, encounters with UFOs have reportedly left Americans suffering from radiation burns, brain, nervous system damage, and even unaccounted for pregnancy. Now they are mocking you. If you want to read this garbage, I shouldn't even tell you. You should go find your own garbage. But it's at Live Science. There's the heading. And if you think that's crazy, take a look at this. Scientists want to move the sun and our solar system to save the Earth from incoming asteroids. Right there, scientists want to move the sun and our solar system, including the Earth, to save Earth from killer asteroids. And this is per a FoxNews.com release and story. And they're saying they want to invent or are working on stellar engines. They're going to slap stellar engines on the Earth somewhere near Antarctica, slap a steering wheel on the Earth, and use the Earth per gravitational waves to tow the sun and all the planets to a new location in outer space, infinite and expanding vacuum, to save the Earth. Now, Einstein would be rolling over in his grave because there would be no way that you could do that, because the asteroid field that they say is around Jupiter or Saturn would come right with it. This is here to mock you. You are being mocked. They're going to move the Earth, the Sun, all your planets to save the Earth from killer asteroids. What they're doing is copying the movie The Wandering Earth. Okay, in the movie, the sun is burning out or dying, and they have to find a new star to become their sun. Guess what? They invent stellar engines. Sound familiar? They slap a steering wheel on the Earth and whiz it, fly it to another star. And it was a very interesting movie, all fake, all propaganda, lies, theoretical nonsense, quantum mechanic bullshit. You people have been systematically dumbed down to instantaneously believe these lies. Then people start blah, blah, blah. We have a ISS in outer space. And if you want to see the ISS, the worldwide phenomenal footage of them putting this thing together, which they say almost took 20 years, going up 2 pieces at a time, here it is. Constructing an orbital wonder. People love it. Animated time-lapse footage, CGI. This would be mankind's second greatest achievement. And all they got is this CGI garbage. Because you people are easily entertained, easily fooled. You have been programmed to instantaneously believe everything they say. Now, what would be the problem with installing a camera on at least one piece that, out of the 2 pieces that went up every trip, to then make a real time-lapsed footage of this happening in real time? I'll tell you why, because it didn't really happen. So they give you this time-lapse CGI garbage, and you people eat it up. There you go. And this is the original official footage at nasa.gov. If you want to see the ISS constructed, this is what you get. You people are being mocked and you love it. I'm not. This is illogical. Completely asinine. And you love it. And here we have another idiot. Thinks he's smart. Putting the ISS together. Zarya. It gives you a little information. Was carried on board a Russian Proton rocket on 1998. No cameras of it happening. That's why we got to get CGI animation of this garbage that took almost 20 years, they tell us. Oh, they got all the dates, eh? Why weren't there no cameras to record this momentous achievement? You people have been systematically dumbed down. They take billions of dollars in funding, redirect it to whatever they really want to do, and then give you this CGI garbage. You people need to wake up. Your whole model, one theory after another. We don't live on the outside surface of a giant ball. There is no such thing as an infinite and expanding vacuum universe. It would expand right into your alleged atmospheres. And gas and oxygen only do one thing in the vicinity of a vacuum. They fill it. We'd have no gas and oxygen on the Earth. That proves that whatever is beyond the sky of the Earth is certainly not any sort of vacuum.